Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. You need to start by accessing Play Store. Following that, just click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Now from here you need to choose this app from this developer and download it. When it's ready, select Open and wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to choose Allow and Allow while using in all of them. So while using the app, Allow. Then click on Got it over here and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now click on Home button and go into Devices settings. In them, you need to click on Apps section. Now finally select Default Apps over here. Click on Home app and apply iOS launcher by clicking on it. Lastly, choose Got it, and as you can see after that, app layout was applied successfully on my T-Mobile phone. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and clicking on Quick Step or iOS launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!